Hi friends, welcome back. In today's session, I would like to talk to you about a very important strength in our life, that is friendship. I think we all have very good friends, very close friends, very best friends. Sometimes let us look into ourselves and see how my friendship helps me. At the same time, if my friendship is too negative, how it disturbs me. Let us look into this aspect. When I was a brother, one of my friends from Mysore, he called me. He told, Vivek, I would like to talk to you urgently. And it was over the phone. Then I told, how many minutes you need? Then he told, I need few hours. Then I told, next week I am coming to Mysore. Can we spend time? Then he told, okay. Then I came home. Then we went to a park. I think we went around 4 o'clock or something. We came back home around 8 o'clock. He was sharing his experience with one of his friends, a girl who was very close to him. She was very friendly. They used to go for movies, they used to go for chats. Even they have visited the families of each other and they have talked to. But at one time, when this friend told the girl that he is in love with her, the first response was, you. She told, your caste and my caste doesn't match. Where are you and where am I? No, please, I never thought that. And she hurt him very badly. Then, of course, my friend went to depression. It was at that moment I was talking to him and saying, no man, this is not you. This is not you, the person I have seen you from your childhood. No, please change. I told him just one word. You break this. You break this and try to live as normally, because he had gone to drinks, then smoking, all bad habits. Then I think he listened to my words and he broke that friendship. And he was happy. He became doctor, he did his higher studies, all those things. And he did well in his life. Dear friends, friendship is a very strong influence in our life. At the same time, certain friends, they may deviate from everything. There are certain friends who are very close to our families. They are just like family members because it is one family. There is no dichotomy like, oh, my friend in the other family, I am from different family. No, we are like a family. See, that is the greatness of friendship. It gives us strength, energy, comfort, solace, whatever you want to name. Having a friend is worth than having thousands and lakhs and crores of rupees, because friendship is a strength, it is a value. Dear friends, let us look into ourselves and see how we can nurture this friendship, how we can be a good friend in our life. At times, even for a good health, we need friendship. We need friendship to laugh, to smile at something, to share our burdens, to entertain, to enjoy, to be what you are, sometimes to be at home with yourself. We need friendship. It really builds up our relationship in a healthy manner. Look at the way we deal with our friends. Sometimes you call so nicely, lay, ogalai, baralai, macha, whatever words may be, because that is the easiness you relate with, because relationship is stronger. It binds you very strong day by day because you are friends. That we can apply in many areas. My father can be my very good friend, my mother, my sister, my brothers, my relatives, many. Do I put every one of them in the circle of my friendship? How do I treat and respect and relate is a wonderful thing. Then at times they teach a lot, especially healthy behaviors. I know one of my friends who is 1 year senior to me. When something goes wrong, he immediately calls and tells me, Vivek, I heard you did this one, why did you do? He takes so liberty to correct me, and he tells, don't think nobody is there. I am there to tell you what you are supposed to do. We surely have certain friends of this sort who tell us, hey, this is what you are supposed to be, man. Do this way, do that way. They help us in many ways, not only in our studies. They help us to be steady in our life too. Teaching so many things, maybe sometimes in a funny manner, and they teach a lot lessons for life. That is friendship, the world of friendship. And sometimes a strong emotional support. Sometimes I remember when my mom was sick, quite a many of my friends, they messaged me, they called me over the phone and told, Vivek, don't worry, we are there, we are praying for your mom, don't worry, she'll be okay. The strength, the support. I know really many of you, you go out of your way to help your friends, especially when their parents or relatives or sisters and brothers are sick. That is friendship. That is the dose of friendship heals everything, heals everything. Sometimes our friendship builds confidence. I remember once one of my friends from poor family, when he wanted to go for an interview, I literally remember his own friends getting so many things, even shoes, tie, belt, everything. His friends gifted him and bid him all the best, do well. See, that really I think that person who went for the interview, he did wonderfully with confidence. Not because of that he had confidence, his friends were his confidence at that moment. They really shape our life in so many ways. Having a good friend is a real blessing, a grace, I would say. Our friendship helps to beat stress in any way. Sometimes when you're really broken, sometimes when you're really hurt or wounded, or sometimes something is stressful in your family or what it may be. Look at those moments when your close friend comes and puts hand around you and tells, hey, what happened to you? What happened? Let me tell. See, that is a power of friendship. It really elevates you from whatever the way you are doomed or you're stressed, you're tensed. That friendship is so strong. It lifts you up in a different level if you have a wonderful friend. Think about Krishna and Kuchala, we spoke about in Puranas, who were so close. Though Krishna, a sublime supreme leader, a king, at the same time Kuchala, a beggar who had his clothes just torn, wanted to visit Krishna and brought beaten rice, or we can say avalaki, gave to Krishna. Krishna ate as though he was eating amrita because friendship. He brought with out of love, respect to his dear friend. So let us cultivate such kind of friends among us. And the last point I would like to share with you, our friendships will help us to give our best in everything. There are so many ways our friends help us. They teach us so many things. I know at the time they go out of their way to help you, make you happy. Dear friends, let a day not pass in my life when I have not made my friend happy. At least whatever way is possible, say hi or something, you say good night, or even a text. Nowadays we text, we do message, and at least a text or something, because as long as they are there, they bring smile in our life. Not only smile in our life, they become a reason for our smile, our happiness. Let's take care of our friends, dear friends. Let's take care of them and help them to come up in life. I think the best definition of a friendship is you want to see the happiness in your friend always. Let us be that reason for happiness. I think you are, you will be, and you'll be model for many who can be as a reason for happiness in the others. Have a wonderful friendship in your life. God bless you.